In this video, I'll guide you through how to adjust opening balances in Xero. This is really useful if you've just moved to Xero from another accounting system, or if you've noticed an error in your starting figures and need to correct it. We'll go step by step, slowly and clearly, so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to the Xero website. Sign into the Xero organization where you want to make the change. Make sure you're in the correct company file because opening balances affect the entire set of accounts for that organization. If you manage multiple businesses in Xero, just double check you're working in the right one before you move on. Once you're logged in and looking at your Xero dashboard, go to the main menu at the top of the screen. Hover your mouse over or click on the accounting tab along the top navigation bar. This is where Xero keeps most of the tools related to your chart of accounts, reports, and general financial settings. Take a moment to find it because you'll use this area often when managing your books. From the accounting menu, choose the option called Account Settings. This opens the area where you can manage your chart of accounts and some key configuration options for your organization. If you don't see this option, you may need higher level permissions in Xero, so you might have to ask the person who manages your account access to grant you the right permissions. In the account settings screen, look for an option called Conversion Balances. This is where Xero stores your opening balances from the date you started using the system, often called the conversion date. Think of it as the starting snapshot of your accounts when you first moved into Xero. Click on Conversion Balances to open that page. On the Conversion Balances page, you'll see a list of accounts along with their opening balances. This can include bank accounts, credit cards, assets, liabilities, and equity accounts. Here is where you can adjust your opening balance. Carefully find the account that needs to be changed and then click into the amount field beside it. Enter the corrected opening balance figure you want Xero to use. Take your time with this step. Opening balances affect all your future reports, so it's a good idea to have your trial balance or opening statement from your previous system in front of you. Make sure the date and amounts match what your accountant or bookkeeper has provided. If you're unsure, it can be worth checking with a professional before you override any numbers. After you've updated the opening balance for the relevant account or accounts, review the page one more time to confirm everything looks right. Check that debits and credits still balance and that no other accounts were changed by mistake. When you're satisfied with your adjustments, scroll to the bottom or top of the page and click Save. This applies your changes to Xero and updates your reports based on the new opening balances. Wait a moment for the page to refresh and then you can go back to your reports or dashboard to confirm that the figures now look correct. And that's it. You've adjusted your opening balances in Xero, starting from the main dashboard, going through the accounting menu, into account settings, then conversion balances, making your corrections and saving your changes.